did you want to start golfing to improve your mental health?
So I served 30 years in the Navy, and I've always been around people. And I think being out on the golf course and being around other veterans just helps. You know, go out on the course, have some fun, and meet other people.
And what do you think about our organization and our mission?
So this is great. I found it online, talked to a couple people already, and just to get the veterans together and provide clubs and provide a means to be out with other people, it's a great organization, and I look forward to more time with them.